Dragonstone is one of the oldest and most powerful castle in Westeros. It was built long before Aegon conquest when the Valyrians ruled the seas with their dragons. They made the castle from black volcanic rock using fire and magic and shaped it to look like dragons sitting on a volcanic island near the coast of Westeros. It became the first home of Targaryens in the Seven Kingdoms. But let's go deeper into history. The Valyrians built Dragonstone almost 200 years before Aegon conquest. At that time, no Targaryens had even set foot in Westeros. The castle was like a Valyrian outpost, a watchtower in the west. They used to keep an eye on Westeros and expand their power across the seas. The Targaryens were just one of the many Dragon Lord families of Valyria, and they happened to be the one living on Dragonstone when Doom of Valyria destroyed their homeland. That's why when they survived while every other Dragon Lord family burned, the Targaryens were safe on Dragonstone with their dragons. The real dragons lived here. Valyrian, the black-breed, the most fearsome dragon in history, grew on Dragonstone. Along with him, Vhagar and Meraxes also lived here before Aegon flew them to conquer Westeros. So when we talk about Dragonstone, it's not just a home, it was a breeding ground of fire and wings. When Aegon the Conqueror landed, Dragonstone was his base. From here, he launched the conquest that changed Westeros forever, uniting six kingdoms under one throne. Even after he built King's Landing, Dragonstone remained the seat for the heir to the throne, the Prince of Dragonstone. In the history of Westeros, many important movements happened here. Rhaegar Targaryen's children were born on Dragonstone, and later the last Targaryen, Daenerys, were born on this island. That's why she called Stormborn. During the War of the Five Kings, Stannis Baratheon made Dragonstone his seat after Robert's death. Here, he met Melisandre, the Red Priestess, who pushed him into using dark magic. In a Dance with Dragons, it is said that old tunnels and chambers in Dragonstone are rarely explored, hinting that something important may be hidden. The show also skipped many small details like Edric Storm, Robert's bastard, who was kept safe at Dragonstone. Dragonstone is more than just a castle. It is a symbol of beginning of fire from the doom of Valyria to Aegon conquest. It has always been the place where the Targaryens started their path to power.